Is that your phone?
Yes, it's the 6 a.m. alarm.
It's so early.
We planned a morning run.
I remember, but I'm tired.
Listen to that sound.
Is that the wind?
No, it's the rain.
Is it a big storm?
No, just steady rain.
It makes me want to stay in bed.
We need to hit our goal, 3 miles today.
Right, for our fitness plan. I'm closing my eyes again.
No, open them slowly. Give me your hand.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
We're finally up.
What should we wear for the rain?
Avoid cotton. It gets heavy and stays wet.
I'm grabbing my tech shirt.
Good. Wear long sleeves.
Where's my rain shell?
In the back corner, the one with the hood.
Got it. I need my running tights.
Are they dry?
Yes, I washed them yesterday.
Where's your cap?
On the top shelf.
The visor helps keep rain out of your eyes.
I'm lacing up my shoes.
Are they waterproof?
Yes, they're Gore-Tex.
Perfect for this weather.
Are you taking an umbrella?
Yes, just in case.
The air feels sharp.
Take a deep breath.
The street is glowing.
It's the wet asphalt.
The rain is very light.
Just a mist. Let's stretch first.
My calves are tight.
Do some lunges.
My muscles feel stiff.
Stretch your hamstrings too.
Much better. Let's jog.
Watch the puddles.
The sidewalk is clear.
Let's take the big loop, past the park.
Toward the bakery.
How's your heart rate?
It's fast, and my breathing is heavy.
Keep a steady pace.
The grass looks so green.
You're warming up now.
No more cold shivers. Is the rain getting heavier?
A little. Bigger drops now.
Is your jacket working?
Yes, water's sliding right off.
I'm dry inside too.
Let's speed up.
My legs feel strong.
1 mile left.
We can do this.
We're done. 3 miles.
I feel so proud.
Your body feels loose, right?
And my mind is clear. Is the bakery open?
Yes, the sign says open.
Let's eat breakfast here.
It smells like cinnamon.
I'll have a blueberry muffin.
I'll take a bran muffin.
And a plain toasted bagel with cream cheese.
Coffee for me.
Hot tea for me, it warms the soul. The rain feels peaceful now.
The street is so quiet.
Usually we're sleeping at this time.
But this feels special.
My shoes are soaked.
But your heart is happy.
Yes, we didn't give up.
Same time tomorrow?
Rain or shine.
Rain or shine.
After that hot shower, I feel fresh.
Clean clothes, clear mind.
I'm ready for work.
Your energy is high today.
Much better than before.
Today will be great.
Happy morning.
Happy life.